What are the benefits of guava? Guava is an excellent option for those with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels. That is because it has a low glycemic index, GI score of 12 to 24. Furthermore, 100 grams of guava has only 8.92 g of sugar, making it easier to digest and absorb. Guava is loaded with nutrients. Not only does it have more vitamin C than oranges, but guava is also rich in other antioxidants and has been shown to have a number of health benefits. Here are just a few of the benefits of eating this tropical fruit. One of the key nutrients found in guava is fiber. While it's low in calories, it contains several powerful nutrients that support digestion, heart health, blood sugar control, and weight management efforts. Guava is an excellent source of vitamin C, providing more than your day's needs in one fruit and offering potential anti-cancer effects over time. 8 health benefits of guava fruit and leaves. May help lower blood sugar levels. May boost heart health. May help relieve painful symptoms of menstruation. May benefit your digestive system. May aid weight loss. May have an anti-cancer effect. May help boost your immunity. Eating guavas may be good for your skin.